All right, what's up, HVAC Control Pro? This is Eric Stromquist with Controltrends and Stromquist.com. Hey, I thought you guys might want to see a tour of our facilities, Stromquist.com here in Atlanta. We also have an office in Orlando. So let's go on a little tour of Stromquist and Company. Okay, so you walk in, you see the sales counter area. You want to see the smartest guy in HVAC and building automation controls? His name is Rob Allen. He's got the Sean McVay haircut going on here. Got to get him more in focus here because you don't want to mess with this profile. There he is. Rob, say hi to the people that are going to be buying from us online.
What's going on, guys? Buy a lot.
Buy a lot, buy a lot. So this is where our customers get to come in. We got the counter area here. Some of the best counter guys in the industry. Out into the warehouse area. We keep over $3 million worth of inventory between our Atlanta and Orlando locations. Large stock of Honeywell controls. Johnson Controls, another product line we handle. We do the flame safeguard controls for Honeywell. All the different thermostats and stuff like that. We're a big gas regulator company. We keep Petrofortini, Maxitrol, Census, pretty much any kind of regulator you would want, we stock here in Atlanta. Keep the different springs and orifices so we can change those out for you. We handle system sensor. As you can see, we keep a lot of inventory. We're proud distributor. Keep the Tossie boxes in stock. Just kind of a cool product because if you're trying to create a network and want it to be secure, a Tossie box allows you to very easily create a network. White Rogers, Armstrong, Ranco, Penn Basso, or Penn Controls, I should say, Robert Shaw. We keep a lot of the old stuff. So some of you mechanics that are out there working and looking for old product, chances are we've got it here. We keep a lot of inventory, really geared toward the HVAC Controls Pro. We build gas trains for the flame safeguard folks and panels as well. Shops where the guys do the work back here. So this is where the real brains of the operation happen. Stephanie Parker. And it's kind of quiet up here today. Cindy normally sits there. And we come in here, we've got some of our admin folks. Karen, and then some of our inside sales professionals are over here. Okay, I'll sit down in my office. So here we are in my office. So here's kind of the view of my office of the inventory from up top. Okay, let's head back downstairs and see the training area. All right, we're going to head toward the training area here. There's one of the best counter guys in the biz right there, Mark Ramick. You watch Controltrends, he does Mark's Cool Tools. Here's the cafeteria where some of our superstars hang out, have lunch. Okay, here's something we really pride ourselves on, the training center. And looks like we're getting set up here for a training class coming up a little bit later. Looks like we got Siemens in the house. So if you're interested in training at Stromquist, I'll put a link where you can sign up, be on our newsletter list, and that way you get all the trainings. We have a lot of people come in from all across the country for training. So again, sign up for the newsletter at stromquist.com. Here's a place where some of our engineers hang out. There is Mr. Kevin right there. So Kevin, say hi. And then here's where the Building Automation Controls Department hangs out in here. You're sensing the brain power once you walk in here. So we handle multiple different product lines: Honeywell, Johnson, Distech, KMC. Pretty much handling them all. And this is where we put them all on the board and get them to talk together. So Mike Bonner and some of the other guys on the team are really good at Building Automation Controls, but we check it out. We've got the Siemens as well. Easy IO is one of our favorite products, and we've got those talking as too. But yeah, again, with the BAS department, we rock and roll, so we support our contractors with that. And one of the smartest guys in the industry, this is his office here, Mike Bonner. Kind of looks like he's a smart guy, right? You can just tell by all the stuff he's got on his desk. All right. How many companies you know that have a tech support team named Batman and Robin? Well, Batman sits right in there, and this is Robin, Reed. Robin, reach out to the Control Trends community.
How's it going, guys?
Yeah, there you go, man.
Love it here at Stromquist.
Working hard. That's
sir.
right. All right, well, there you go. Hope you've enjoyed the tour of Stromquist Company. Hey, if you want to try us online at stromquist.com, use the code CT10, Controltrends 10, get 10% off on your order. We've had that special for about 30 days, so give us a shot. Stromquist.com, CT10 at the code. All right, check you on the flip side.